Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I am going to do a port replacement on this tablet. This one is Samsung Tab E8 and charging port, it's not charging, and also this seems to be drained as well. The battery seems to be drained. If we try turning it on, it will not turn on, and also it's not charging. So let's confirm that there's charge in the charging cable by plugging this into this wireless charger. You can see that it lights up here, so definitely we have power here, but we are not getting any charge from the tablet. So what we are going to do, we are going to take this apart. I've already started taking it apart, however, but you can heat around the edges, and it's something that you have to take your time. However, I have already started doing so, and okay, let's see. So I guess my plastic tool is in the inside. So what we have to do is we have to just gently go under the screen. When you look at on the inside as you heat, you want to go in the inside and you want to gradually go around, but you must heat this up. You can see the loose adhesive there. You can see the loose piece of adhesive tape. You have to take your time heating this up. Also, the cable is in the middle, so you have to be mindful of the position in which you will be working with. So I'm going to just quickly remove the ribbon from the tablet here. You want to remove this. So you want to unplug the battery, which is right here. Then we're going to unplug the screen. And it's always good to inspect the screen to see if there is any physical damage, which there is none. So guys, what we're going to be doing, we need to remove all these screws here. And we should be able to remove this. So let's take our time, see if we can remove this out of place. So guys, you can see the charging board here, and we are going to just remove the board. And actually we can either replace this port or we can replace the entire board. So what I am going to be doing, I am going to replace the entire board. So this is the new board. As you can see, we're going to put this on. Just like that, we put that back in place, and then we are going to we are going to connect the ribbon here. In the meantime, guys, I'm going to clean off the old adhesive. We're going to connect the screen, and we are going to connect the battery just to see if everything is charging. So that's what we're going to be doing. So let's align this in place. So just align this in place now for the battery. So both of them are connected, and if the screen lights up, we would have seen some form of light. So I have left the tablet to charge for about an hour. So I am going to connect the screen, and now I'm going to reconnect the battery. Reconnect the battery. The screen is connected. Let's see if we cause any damage here. Let's see if it works. Yeah. So guys, all we have to do now is to put back in this plate and also put back in all the screws. Charger is not fast charging, as sometimes when the battery is below charging voltage, which is about 3.90 volts, it's kind of hard for the fast chargers to boost the battery up. So I had it on a slower charger, and I had the meter hook up, so I was seeing it drawing amps. Well, as you can see, it's charging here. We are going to turn the tablet on, and we're going to ensure that everything is working. So let's turn this on. So guys, the tablet is on, and let's just make sure that everything is working. So we are getting good touch. So what I'm going to be doing now, guys, is unplugging the charger. We are going to unplug the battery, unplug the screen. Now we are going to put this back in place like this. we are going to put back in all the screws. Battery is connected, screen is connected. Now we have this that we have to put back here. Okay, so we put this here. And we have a screw to put in. Screw goes in here. Just like that. Just like that. But before we put the screen down, I'm going to plug in the charger and just give it one more test. Ensure that everything is good before we stick. It's always a good practice, and everything is looking lovely. So we are going to stick now. And guys, that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you can go right ahead, like this video and also subscribe. So yeah, we're done here.